You have not got long left until your exams. This is exactly how you're going to prioritise what you need to revise. In just 1 minute, I'm going to explain this super simple strategy that will help you figure out exactly what you need to work on. My name's Tilly, I got 5 A stars at A-level, majority grade 9 GCSE, and this is how I prioritise what I was going to revise. Okay, let's start off with, you don't need to allocate the same amount of time to revising everything. That is just wasting your time. You need to focus on your weakest areas, but also those things that are most likely to come up in the exam. And lucky for you, this system formalises that. You're focusing on exam weighting and difficulty priority. So get your specification. Get your specification. Do not even rag checklist it. Literally get it, and you can have red and you can have green. There's no amber here. You need to identify what you know and what you're happy with. If it came up in the exam, you're happy. In red, it's if it came up in the exam, you would not be happy. And you really need to focus on it. Cool. But now the next stage, which a lot of people miss out, is the exam priority. Okay, so let's say I'm doing A-level economics and I've got like the Easterlin paradox. It's in red. I don't know it, but I've also got the entirety of the topic of inflation in red, which is a massive topic. The Easterlin paradox is like quite small. It's actually quite unlikely to come up. And also if it does come up, it's probably only going to come up in like one question. So for this reason, Easterlin paradox, this small little topic area, this really nuanced niche part of the specification, that is going to be low priority, whereas inflation is going to be high priority. And when you've identified the difficulty and the priority, that is when you start prioritising your revision in this order, starting with the topics that you find difficult and that bear the most weight in the exam, and then going for those ones that you find difficult but they're low weighted in the exam, and then you move down. So those things you find easy, high weight in the exam, and then things you find easy but low weight in the exam. And you start from top to bottom, because these things at the top, if you revise them and you get better at those, they are going to increase your grades by the most amount. By the way, if you haven't saved this video yet, what are you doing? Comment to stay on Study Tip and follow for daily study tips.